Hey, this is Eve. We are so excited to launch our new personalized photo frame tool. Click Add Photo to select an image from your device. Move the image to the frame, pinch to zoom, or use your mouse wheel to fit your photo to the frame. Upload the second or more images from your device. Delete the image by clicking the red circle cross button on the image. Once ready, click Download to get the file. Now your file is ready to print. Please remember to complete the process and download the image before closing the window, because we don't save any images or progress. It is completely safe for our customers. We recommend you print this file in high-quality settings and print on cardstock paper. With this tool, you can easily create a personalized photo frame for your dollhouse or Pixine stand. Visit Build My Mini to start your project today.